I'm Dr. Courtney. I'm a family medicine physician. I work at United Hospital Center Family Medicine Residency, and I'm here today to talk about holiday safety. So we certainly want to be taking precautions regarding holiday cooking. 4 times the average cooking fires occur during the holiday season more than any other time during the year. In fact, 218 of those incidences involved a turkey fryer. Remember, only fry a turkey outside and away from your home. I think it's a good idea to remember that when children are involved with cooking during the holidays, you want to keep them out of the kitchen. You want to keep them away from the stove. You want to keep them away from the oven, especially the younger children. You want to really only involve older children in cooking. This is a good time to teach them safety and responsibility. So some good advice or tips for those that are preparing the holiday feast is to, number 1, always remain in the kitchen while you have food or items on the stove. Try not to leave the oven unattended. And you always want to use cooking mitts or pot holders, especially with food either on the stove or in the oven as well. I hope you found these holiday tips helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday season from all of us here at UHC.